In Tutorial 2, we will learn how to run a project from a web browser. In Tutorial 1, we added 4 questions, and assigned these questions to 2 different projects. A simple way of launching and running a project is to click on Manage Projects, under Projects option menu. In the Manage Projects page, we can see the 2 projects I added in Tutorial 1. Here, I can delete a project, edit a project, and launch a project, by clicking on the corresponding icons. Project ID and access key are the 2 numbers that respondents need to access the project and submit responses. In a new window, I will show how respondents can access the project and enter their responses. Optius Remote is available at response.educatools.com. Respondents must enter the project ID, the access key, and press the Enter button. As I access the project, we can see that there are no questions open. Questions are made available when the project is launched, which can be done by clicking on the Run Project icon. Now that a question is open, I will refresh the Optius remote voting system. We can now see the options available. Note that the question number matches in the voting page and in the project page. I will now submit my response by clicking on one of the options, and will click on Results link to see a summary of responses. If 40 responses were received, results should look somewhat like this. The number of responses for each option is shown next to each letter in the histogram. By moving the mouse over each bar, is also possible to see the number of votes in % for each option. I will now move to the next question in the project, by clicking on the Next Question link. By refreshing the Optius remote voting system, we will see the 2 options available for question 2. Note that each respondent can only vote 1 time per question per session. This is the end of Tutorial 2. Running projects from a web browser is very easy. In the next tutorial, I will show how to set up a project for a PowerPoint presentation.